This is how I'm watering my greenhouse today. It's 60 degrees in here. Bringing the snow from outside in. I don't know. It works. We don't have water over here during the winter. Just want to get the soil because the soil's pretty dry. I want to get it moist so that way it's ready to go once I'm ready to start planting in here, which will probably be maybe in a few weeks. I'll start planting in here. So this is what I'm doing. Shoveling snow into a greenhouse. I'll check back in on this a little later, show you how much it's melted. It's probably going to get warmer than this too because the sun's just starting to come out. Well, it didn't end up melting quite as much as I thought because the sun didn't really end up coming out. It ended up staying cloudy. It's around 60, 63 in here. At one point I came out though and it was around 80 or so. That was when the sun was trying to come out and then it never ended up coming out. I'll show you a little bit of a view of what the bed looks like now. It's melted some, but we'll give it a few more days and it will melt and water my bed. Well, today it is sunny and over 80 degrees in here, and it is about 30 degrees outside, I think, somewhere around there. And the snow is starting to melt even more, and you can see that the soil is getting nice and damp, which is really good. So when I start planting, I won't have to haul in a bunch of water. The soil will be ready to go. So snow is almost gone. I think I'm gonna add some more snow to show you what it looks like on the soil. So you can see the soil starting to get nice and wet. And I'll add some more soil. I'll add some more snow so that way it gets nice and deep. Because even in a greenhouse during the winter, this is going to evaporate on really sunny days. So we need to try to get as much as possible down into the soil. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.